Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a cherry blossom tree. First, let's gather our supplies. You will need about 20-gauge floral wire, pink and white tissue paper, floral tape, and a small wooden or clay base. Also, have some craft glue and wire cutters on hand. These materials are readily available at most craft stores and will form the foundation of our beautiful tree. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the crafting process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's build the tree's structure. Take about 5 to 7 pieces of 20-gauge floral wire, each around 12 inches long, and twist them tightly to form the main trunk. Then, attach smaller 6-inch wire pieces to create the branches, ensuring they spread out naturally. Once your desired shape is achieved, wrap the entire wire frame with brown floral tape. This step gives the tree a realistic, bark-like texture and provides a base for our blossoms. Next, we'll craft the beautiful cherry blossoms. Cut your pink and white tissue paper into 1-inch by 1-inch squares. For each blossom, take a small square and gently crumple it around the tip of a short, thin piece of floral wire, about 1 inch long. Apply a tiny dot of craft glue to secure the tissue paper to the wire. Repeat this process many times. You'll need hundreds of these tiny flowers to make a full, lush tree. Finally, let's bring our cherry blossom tree to life. Begin attaching the individual wire blossoms to the smaller branches, twisting them securely. Distribute the pink and white flowers evenly to create a balanced and vibrant canopy. Once all blossoms are in place, insert the base of your tree trunk into a pre-drilled hole in your wooden or clay base. Use a strong adhesive or quick-drying plaster to ensure it stands firmly. Your beautiful, handcrafted cherry blossom tree is now complete.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.